In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook Pixel to your Shopify store quickly and easily. This helps you track customer activity, conversions, and improve your Facebook ads performance. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click on Settings in the lower left corner of the screen. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels. Then click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Facebook Pixel and look for the official Meta app or a Facebook Pixel integration app. Now click on the app and select Install. Shopify may ask you to review permissions before continuing, so click Install again to confirm. After installation, log into your Facebook or Meta account and connect your Facebook Business Manager. Then choose the Facebook Pixel you want to use with your Shopify store. Follow the on-screen setup instructions to finish the connection. Once completed, your Shopify store will begin tracking important customer actions like page views, add to cart events, and purchases. This data helps you optimize your ads and better understand your customers' behavior. And that's it. You've successfully connected Facebook Pixel to Shopify. Thanks for watching.